Hi everybody, my name is Hilde. In this video we're going to learn the technique of the floreo. So the floreo traveling from in to out as well as out to in. We're also going to learn this with different arm positions. As usual, make sure your body is warm before starting this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click like. Enjoy! So we're going to look at the technique of floreos today. So bring your palms together, elbows out as if you're going to take a swim. Now take some space in between your hands and then making a fist. I want you to circle your arms around from in, down, out and up. In, down, out, up. So you're making a circular movement. The elbows stay out. So the tendency in the beginning is to flap your wings, so to speak, but I want you to keep the elbows out and still. Now we can do this in different positions. It doesn't actually change the movement in the hands. We're just placing the arms in different arm positions. So look at the video that is about arm positions because these are the arm positions you're going to need today. Lifting the arms up high, shoulders down, so taking the arms in fifths, and then bring them back in the high firsts. So the palms are together. Now we're going to do the full movement. So Carolina Maricchio explained this to me. The idea is that you pick up an hourglass in between your middle finger and your thumb, and you're going to place the hourglass back onto the table. So you're going to turn it around, let go of the hourglass and wave around it. As you wave, make sure you're not moving the elbows. So we're going to take the hourglass, put it around, let go and turn around it. So just repeat that movement. Taking, turning the wrists and releasing. Take, turn, release. Notice that the movement is very much driven by the wrists as opposed to by the fingers. The fingers are moving as a result of the wrist movement. So if we bring the arms down, nothing changes. The elbows are still out. The movement goes in to out. Arms out to the side, same thing. Keep the shoulders down, please, if you bring the arms out, and then arms above the head. Floreo from in to out. Now let's look at the technique of the floreo from out to in. So in this case, again, the elbows are out, but the palms are facing forwards. Again, let's make some fists. So the first thing we're going to do is learning the wrist movement. So you're going to circle the wrists around. We can do this in different places. Front, down, out, and up. Each time you do this movement, make sure that the elbows are not moving. Keep the shoulders down onto the back. Now let's look at the hands movement. So the hands are out. We're going to still use the same idea of middle finger and thumb working towards each other while the other fingers pull back. And then you're going to turn your wrists around and then unroll the hands and then return from where you came. So we go take, turn, release the hands. Shoulders are down, elbows are out, and the elbows are not moving. Take, turn, release. Take, turn, release. Let's bring the arms down. Same thing, nothing changes in the hands. Elbows stay out. Make this really a wrist movement like I was saying. The fingers just move as a result of the wrists moving. Let's bring the arms out to the side into a second position. Elbows are lifted. And then let's bring the arms up. So we're going to do this to the music in a moment. And I'm also going to do some arm patterns. So for example, if we take a floreo from in to out, I might move my right arm down or my left arm down, bringing the arms front and then up, and then do the same with the other side. So I'm creating a little movement pathway with my arms, but really what I'm doing is I'm moving my arm, placing, and then adding the floreo, as opposed to moving the floreo as I move my arm, if that makes sense, yeah? So let's try that to the music now. Let's start with floreos from in to out. 5, 6, 7,